Bitcoin is a global currency which is traded online. You can use it to buy things online from jelly beans to books. Many shops are now accepting Bitcoins as a payment, including Starbucks. You can even pay university fees or cosmetic surgery with Bitcoins. There are even ATMs that can distribute Bitcoins in Canada. To better understand, I need to explain that money is not wealth. It's an accounting system used to facilitate the exchange of wealth. Basically, the paradox of money is that while everybody wants it, nobody actually really wants it. They just want the stuff that they can buy with it. Many people are put off by the concept that Bitcoins are just online data. But if you think about it, all money is just data. As long as people see Bitcoin or any money as having value, there will always be a demand for it. And if there is a demand, there is greater value. If there is no demand for Bitcoin or other currencies, they become worthless. The purchasing power is solely due to whether another person perceives the value of Bitcoin. The coins came into existence in 2009, so it's still a relatively new concept. Its creator is someone or a group of people called Satoshi Nakamoto. Value of the Bitcoins highly fluctuates. In 2009, one coin was worth 30 cents and it rose to €30, but it dropped again to €1.50. When I did my research 3 weeks ago at the start of November, one coin was worth €194, but today, 3 weeks later, it's worth €650. It will probably drop again in value. Many people view Bitcoin as a bubble, which I agree, it does have all the characteristics of a bubble. However, people can still make money from bubbles, or at worst, they can still continue to trade their Bitcoins for items. You'll also hear that people will argue that Bitcoins is anonymous means of laundering money, or it engages in criminal activities such as paying someone in Bitcoins to buy drugs, guns, or even to hire a hitman. Which is true statement, but equally, it is not. The dollar, pound, yen, and euro are equally as anonymous. Many people bought drugs on a website using Bitcoins called Silk Road, which was shut down by the FBI earlier this year. It is said that the website hindered the authenticity and value of Bitcoins. However, it's in my opinion that it actually brought Bitcoins to the media and actually put the spotlight on the currency, creating more public awareness. Now that more people are aware of it, and they are aware of the value, there is now a bigger demand yet again, and it has triggered more interest and investment. I don't know if you know the Winklevoss twins. They're heavily involved in Bitcoins. You know the two twins from the Mark Zuckerberg Facebook movie? Those twins invested $11 million into Bitcoins when they were worth $120. Bitcoin is completely unregulated. There's no government control, which brings many positives and many negatives about Bitcoin. At present, the US government Senate are investigating the idea of Bitcoins and the potential issues it could bring, as it could be a possible threat to their national security and financial federal reserves. Representatives from the Bitcoin community have stressed the positives of Bitcoin, and the Senate members were highly impressed last week with the idea of the cryptocurrency and the benefits it could bring. The US Senate is looking positively on the currency, as Germany and other countries have already welcomed its use. You think we live in a free market, but we really don't. We have governments that nurture our currency. They don't want currencies to fluctuate too wildly, as bondholders and foreign investors won't invest, and the government financial arsenal would or could be worth less, so governments like to take control of the value of money. That's the main reason why the UK government opted not to have the euro currency. They wanted to have full control over the pound. The demand for Bitcoins has already taken lift due to investment in mining in China. In essence, if the US regulates Bitcoin, it would only be regulated in their jurisdiction and not globally, and China and other countries would benefit. Also, if many countries or continents banned Bitcoin altogether, it would just go underground. It would still be used and it would still have value. I believe Bitcoins are here to stay, and I'm not sure about the future value of the coins though. I have a few coins myself, and I've been keeping a close eye on the cryptocurrency. I will need to make another video, however, on Bitcoin mining. It is possible to earn Bitcoins using your home computer to mine coins, but that's another story in itself, and it will warrant another YouTube video. Thanks for watching. You can check out my other videos, or if you want to comment or like, that would be appreciated.